Hi, I'm Leo Prada. I'm a QA engineer at university. I started translation and I did translations for about 20 something years while I was working in an engineering and construction company where my main function was controlling the metadata of engineering documents and keeping the database up to date. Uh, all of the projects were oil and gas, large projects, ranging from 30 to 80,000 documents per project, and all of them had at least three were reviews. So it was a lot of documentation, a lot of details that needed to be taken care of. When I was a kid, my favorite game was Spot the Seven Differences. So I have a keen eye to spotting the differences. I have been working as a QA. In the past 7 years, I have been working in the software industry. I started as QA in Lenovo, where we had to test 3,200 B2B e-commerce websites. It was a team of three people, and we were doing that. Then after that, I worked as Sergius as a QA, testing IVRs, which were built in Java. First, I learned how to code and build the IVRs so that I could understand better how could I break them. So I am very convinced that QA has to be involved from the very beginning in every project. If you understand what is being built and how it's being built, then you're going to be able to test it more efficiently and more thoroughly, especially. I have a, I am also a web developer in JavaScript, MySQL, PHP. I know how to program. So I don't have hands-on automation experience, but I'm always looking forward to learning new things, and the I find it very invigorating when I go to a, when I go to work and there's something challenging, something that needs to be learned, something that I have to figure out how to do. I have experience in Jira for the past 7 years. I have been using Zephyr to manage the test cycles, test cases, test scenarios, and the execution and reporting of them. I have also experience in Asana and Notion for ticketing as well. In my latest experience where I have been working as a sales engineer, I have also been doing some testing because I had to design the demos and later on test them to make sure that they were in compliance with the technical definition that I had created. And then when we built the actual software, I also had to give the go no go after development and QA. So I was doing testing myself. And overall, in the past 7 years, I have been championing for quality, and the quality of software is something that I really think is essential. In every project, you have the regular constraints of resources, time, and money, but quality is at the core of everything. If you don't pay attention to the quality of the product that you're doing, most very likely they will not call you next time. So that's the philosophy I live by.